Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about why playing the piano is good for you. My name is Ruth Power. I'm from Piano Picnic, and if you haven't checked out my stuff yet on pianopicnic.com, what have you been doing? Okay, let's get into the 11 benefits of playing the piano. Number 1, it improves mood, well-being, and general anxiety management. I'm still kind of anxious, but I'd be worse if I didn't play the piano. Number 2, it builds dexterity and motor functions, moving our fingers around. Number 3, it improves our executive functions, planning and strategizing like an executive. I will tell you that I am a huge planner. I'm not saying I'm the poster girl for all of these benefits, but that one in particular, I am a great strategist and planner. I plan my face off. Okay, number 4, it helps our memory function. You gotta have a good memory to play the piano. There's so many things to learn and to remember. So obviously doing that, we improve our memory in general. Again, not the poster girl for that one particular. But you know, you can't help genes. I don't have a good memory. I do have a good memory for music, not for anything else. Number 5, our ability to multitask. When we're playing the piano, we're doing a whole bunch of stuff all at once with our brains, with our emotions, with our ears, with our eyes, with our fingers and body. And so multitasking is another benefit. Number 6, it increases our focus. You've got to be able to focus on what you're playing. Number 7, it helps us with recovery from injury, in particular any sort of brain damage that we've suffered. Number 8, it improves our auditory and speech skills. Ta-da! Look how good I am at speaking. Not. Number 9, it aids our aging brain, defense against memory loss, cognitive decline, diminishing speech functions. Aids all of that. And number 10, it exercises our creativity and innovation. Steve Jobs over here, because I play the piano. And number 11, it builds our confidence. So if you want to check out my specific references to the studies that have proved all of those benefits, because I'm not just making shit up, then you can go to the description. There's a link to an article that I wrote on my website where I reference all those studies. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button.